One thing that I love about the digital media production program at Kent State University is the fact that as creatives from Northeast Ohio, we can feel isolated and we can feel deserted when we're in the middle of the country. You know, we're far away from New York, we're far away from California, which are these filmmaking hubs. And here at Kent, we foster this environment that is so incredibly encouraging for students, where you'll have students of so many different backgrounds with so many different incredible stories, and they have the ability and the means to tell those stories. And those opportunities are provided because of the College of Communication Information. My name is Reilly Schrock. I am a digital media production and English major with minors in Italian and world literature and cultures. What I personally want to do in the world of filmmaking, and what I'm trying to do with the films that I make and the projects that I work on, is create a space for all people to come and be creative. What I want to do and what I am doing as a filmmaker is helping people tell their stories, elevating voices that may be suppressed, and ultimately the long-term goal is to make people feel heard and represented and respected. So I'm very proud to say that because of Kent State and because of the College of Communication Information, I work exclusively as a videographer. All of my income comes from my video and photography work. That's pretty crazy. You know, I'm 23, I haven't even gotten my degree yet, and I'm already working in my field. There are opportunities for students to work in their field on campus. And that's a very powerful thing that Kent State can offer its students. Not many universities, I think, you can show up and just immediately start working in your field. You can do that here. What exists in the DMP world is this beautiful air of collaboration. And so constantly in the atmosphere in Franklin Hall and Taylor Hall, you have all of these wonderful minds, all of these collaborative people, and they're all working on something that matters to them. You have just dedicated students who care about their art and who care about the stories they tell, and you get that at Kent State.